Here we go. We are working on transmit. The whole unit objective is we can make a model showing the path of light from the source to the eyes and demonstrate the ways light is reflected, transmitted, and absorbed. So lesson 3, this lesson is about transmit. Fill that into your notes. It's a verb. We're going to come to that. Our content objective for lesson 3. We will model the path light takes when it transmits through an object. Make sure to fill that in. And our language objective, fill in the underlined words. We can draw, label, and describe the path of light in a 2D model that shows how light moves when it transmits, there's that word again, fill it in, through an object. So what does transmit mean? Well, light is transmitting in this picture. It is a verb. That's why we have Vernon here. It means to cause something to blank through an object. What do you think that word is? Yeah, to cause something to pass through an object. Now here are different forms. Transmit's a verb, right? But we can have Vernon's verbs and Nancy's nouns for different forms. So it's transmit, or what? The present tense. Transmit for singular or transmits, right? What about past tense? Transmitted, and what's another one? Transmitting. Adding those endings, and we're going to practice writing some of those. Nancy's nouns, transmission. Okay. This is different than reflection. You can notice the double S's. Transmission isn't used very often, but I'll show you where it is used, how it is used. Okay. The light blank through the glass. I've got a singular noun there. So what do you think goes there? Which form of transmit? Transmits. No S, S. Some of the light rays, plural, blank through the glass. What do you think goes there? Transmit. Right? Which version do you think or form goes here? The light rays blank through the glass after reflecting off the student. So this is going to be past tense. What's that? Yep, transmitted. And we can see the light rays. They're doing it now as we speak. We can see the light rays transmitting through the window. And here's our noun. We can draw diagrams to show light. What do you think it is? Transmission through the one-way mirrors, right? We're showing the transmission of light. It becomes a noun. This isn't used as regularly. These are, and you'll be using them in your descriptions. So let's talk about that. We have to draw a diagram. Let's say we have to draw a diagram of this picture. Is there light transmitting there? Let's see. Some of the light blank off the surface of the water. What is some of the light doing? Hint, it's not our vocabulary word if it's going off the surface of the water. Yeah, some reflects off the surface. That's why we can see the surface. And some of the light blank through the water. Transmits. So some reflects and some transmits. How can we show that in a diagram? There we've described it as part of our objective. We've described it with words. What about diagrams? Well, my beautiful digital drawing here of our sun and eyes, right? Here's the source. Notice over here is my key. Here's the sunlight. Not all of the light transmits through because some of it is reflecting. So we're going to draw dotted lines to show some light reflecting and some light transmitting. And these sentences under here help us describe that. We've got a labeled diagram and descriptions underneath. That's what this lesson is about. Practicing diagramming and writing about light transmitting. Transmit. Finish your notes and go to the tasks where you're going to practice this and other vocabulary. Good luck. Have fun.